Greetings everybody, this is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and today we will be discussing about how to create a sprint in Jira. Now before we begin, consider donating using the link in the description. So creating a sprint is quite simple. Now you need to head over to your backlog first for this process to complete it. Now go to your backlog of your Scrum project and then click this create sprint button at the top of backlog. And the point to be noted here is that you can create more than one sprint if you want to plan work on several weeks in advance. So you can then fill in your sprints with stories from backlogs and stuff like that. So basically it is the starting point of creating your sprint onto your Jira and software development. This is, yeah, so that's how you can create it. And yeah, I hope this was helpful, guys. If it was, consider donating using the link in the description below, as it is going to be really helping the channel. Stay tuned for more and see you guys around in the next video.